being able to post-process it, do all of our comparisons to CAD data, and whatever we need to do has been pretty easy.
We here at RFK use CAM2 a lot. We're able to scan the parts, put them right into CAM2, which brings them into a point cloud. With that point cloud, we're able to get primitives off of it, whether it's cylinders, spheres, circles, or whatever it may be, and also compare them to CAD models that we have here at RFK. So it's a great product to have.